Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Audi TT key battery. This is an easy method that anyone can do at home. You'll only need a few basic items: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This quick task should take you less than 5 minutes, getting your key fob back to full power in no time. Now, let's open up your key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, you should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob casing begin to separate. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Now, use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Be careful not to touch any other internal components. Then, simply insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Finally, it's time to put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Make sure all the buttons and internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Give your key fob a quick test to ensure it's working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your Audi TT key battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.